all the love that y'all showing me. I appreciate it so much. I think the last time I did a really big show out here was almost like 2009. My ass getting old. Before I get out of here, can we go crazy one time? I haven't heard from you and I'm here, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Gypsy crib in the middle of the night. I know that you miss me cause I put it down. Damn, babe. I can put you on a plate. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh, baby. Everything you do's amazing. Ain't nobody got you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody take a shower and I'm your break, oh, baby. I'm choosing on my bitch. Top down, gotta doing donuts on a yeah. Hold up. Pause for the food. She don't need no hands or no pants. Do your dance. Pop your rubber bag, get your dance, make it dance. Yo, wait up, I mean, come just to take you down, down. Let me put it down, down. Put it down, down. Watch me put it down, down. Put it down, down. Trip to your crib in the middle of the night. I know that you miss me. Damn, baby. I can put you on a plate. You know that I need that make you change your life. Oh, baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got you go crazy now. Yeah. I'm your break, little baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody watching go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you sell it. I know you break, little baby. Make some noise for these wonderful dancers one time. But most importantly, make some noise for yourselves. I just want to say this real quick. It's a lot of evil and a lot of genocide going on in the world right now. I encourage all my young brothers and sisters to love one another, be positive. Not because somebody's watching, but because it's in here. I appreciate you guys. You guys are like family. You listen to our music, you watch us perform. We appreciate everybody. So with that, inshallah, mashallah, I love you.